Development is celebrated on 10 November every year. By linking science more closely with society, World Science Day aims to ensure that all citizens are kept informed of developments. In science, it also underscores the role of scientists play in broadening our understanding of the planet we call home and in making our societies more sustainable. The objectives of World Science Day for Peace and Development are strengthen the public awareness on the role of science for a peaceful and sustainable society, renew national and international solidarity for shared science between countries, promote national and international solidarity for shared science between countries, move attention to the problems faced by science and raising support for the scientific endeavor. The theme of World Science Day 2021 is Building Climate-Ready Communities. The year 2021 makes the 20th edition of World Science Day for Peace and Development. With climate change being a serious threat to the lives of billions of people, this year's celebration will highlight the importance of building climate-ready communities.
Let us watch the presence of acid and basic contents in different substances that is present around us. These are litmus paper. These litmus papers are extracted from lichen. Litmus paper are available in two colors, blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. When we dip red litmus paper in a basic solution, it changes into blue in color. While dipping blue litmus paper in an acid solution, it turns into red in color. Here we have taken two solutions, a soap solution and a vinegar. Now we are going to understand the soap solution is acid or basic in nature. I have taken a red litmus paper. Now I am going to dip this red litmus paper in a soap solution. While dipping the red litmus paper in a soap solution, it turns into blue in color, which means the soap solution is basic. The soap solution has a content called sodium hydroxide, which is basic. Now we are going to understand whether vinegar is acid or basic in nature. So for testing that, I have taken a blue litmus paper. Now I am going to dip this blue litmus paper in the vinegar solution. While dipping the blue litmus paper in a vinegar solution, it turned into red in color, which means vinegar is acid in nature. This is turmeric powder. We use turmeric powder in kitchen daily. As turmeric powder is a natural indicator, it changes into red color when it is mixed with a basic solution and no color change when it is mixed with acid substances. Let's see how can we identify the presence of acid and basic substances using a turmeric solution. So I have taken a turmeric solution and a soap solution and a vinegar solution. Now we are going to identify whether the soap solution is acid or basic in nature. So I have taken here a test tube. Now I am going to pour some soap solution to the test tube. Now I am adding a little bit of turmeric into it. While adding, it turned into red in color, which means soap solution is basic in nature. Now let's identify whether vinegar is acid or basic in nature. So for that I have took a vinegar which is acetic acid and another test tube. So I am going to pour the acetic acid, which is a vinegar, to the test tube. And a little bit of turmeric solution. While adding the turmeric solution, the acetic acid, which is a vinegar, has no color change, which means acetic acid, that is a vinegar, is acid in nature. Hope you all have enjoyed the experiment. Thank you.
Hi dear students, World Science Day for Peace and Development is celebrated on every 10th of November. World Science Day for Peace and Development highlights the significant role of science in society and the need to engage the wider public in debates on emerging scientific issues. It is also underlines the importance and relevance of science in our daily life. The purpose of the day is to strengthen public awareness of the role of science for peaceful and sustainable societies. Secondly, promote national and international solidarity for shared science between the countries. And finally, renew national and international commitment for the use of science for the benefits of societies. Now, let me say about the theme of World Science Day for Peace and Development 2021 is Building Climate Ready Communities. The year 2021 marks 20th edition of World Science Day for Peace and Development with climate change becoming a serious threat to the lives of billions of people and the planet. This year's celebration will highlight the importance of building climate-ready communities. The objectives of this theme is to bring science closer to society by highlighting some key scientific aspects and possible solutions provided by science, technology and innovation to some of the major global challenges society is facing today. As a science teacher, today I want to tell you about Article 51(8) from our Constitution. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India to develop the scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform.
Science is the key to a prosperous future. Science and technology are expected to play a vitally important role in ensuring national security and social stability. Through science and technology, it is easier for inhabitants to communicate with other people around the globe. Science and technology enables every people to live in an easy and modern way of life. It will make our life easier and helps our work can be done faster. Science knows no country because knowledge belongs to humanity and is the torch which illuminates the world. The science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Science is the way of thinking much more than it is a body of knowledge. On this special occasion, I wish you all a happy and prosperous Science Day for Peace and Development.